What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And today we will be changing some oil today. And along with changing oil, we are going to be wearing our gloves. I know you guys, the big boys are like, why do you need gloves to change oil? Because it's hard to get oil out of your nails when you're done, even when your nails are cut. All right. That's one reason why I love to wear gloves while I'm changing oil or working on the car. So the tough guys out there, just go ahead, do your thing like you've been doing for many years, but we're using gloves. All right. So got these gloves from Amazon. The link will be in the description. These are 6 mil. Okay. Just in case people don't know what 6 mil, is 6 mil is the thickness of your glove. So let's go ahead and check it out. Pushing down. And okay, feels regular. So I believe 6 mil is probably like, all right, so this is what I'm used to. Large fits beautifully, all right? The large feels good. And I will be ordering some extra large gloves soon, but these are a little bit thicker than these ones. All right, even though these say heavy duty, but it don't have the mil on it, so I'm not sure the mils on this one, but these feel thicker. And this is good in case you're into like of course automotive, but let's say you're painting, you're doing painting work, you may want to wear gloves. Cleaners wear gloves. Any type of food service or anything wear gloves. And who else wear gloves? People that do hair, cosmetology, cosmetics, all of that stuff. They all wear gloves, so gloves are good for basically everything, you guys. And these feel real comfortable. I'm pulling right now and no rips. I'm pulling hard too. All right, no rips, no tears or anything. So that's it, and I'm going to be changing my oil. So that will be it. If y'all just wanted to check this out, the unboxing and all of that stuff, that's it with this. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.